Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Dr. Mom, where I share valuable insights and tips on parenting, Montessori, homeschooling and much more. If you find my content helpful and relatable and would like to stay updated with my latest updates, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel by simply clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss on any new updates. Also, you can connect with me on various social media platforms, all of whose links are mentioned in the description box below. Today, in this video, I would like to take you through the Montessori Geography Curriculum for primary children and above. Taking you through a tour of our geography shells at 4 years of age for both the boys. So here you can see our globe here. This is the first globe that we got. And then we're having here the shelves to study more about each continent. You're having more of worksheets here, like all the different activity cards, flag matching activity cards here. Then you can see like we're having basically miniatures and flag matching countries cards, 3-part cards. Again, you can see for each country. So basically we are collecting different collectibles and trying to keep it here. And then we're having this world puzzle, and then we're having this very beautiful puzzle. I liked it very much, one because it actually depicts the Montessori color coding for the continents first, and second, if you can see, you can actually spot the countries here. The map outline is not very precise to scale, but still I think it does its job for a beginner. Coming to this shelf here, where we're having about land and water forms, about, you can see how the physical forms, basically we're having the 3-part cards, then we're having the puzzles and so on, and then we're having a puzzle to go along. Also we're having a world earth roll, basically wherein you can try to keep in the continent parts. Next is a little elaborate one. The boys don't play much with this, but then something to play quite a little bit rare. It's like spot on the countries. It's like playing bingo but with countries. Like you have to identify the map outline and spot the country. And again another puzzle here, sorry, another card game here, but we just use it for identifying and like naming structures in the particular country. Not very spot on game like how it is mentioned, but like our own modification of the game. And this is a painting set for the world wonders. And then we're having this classical geography puzzles, continent puzzles, the geography, Montessori geography continent puzzles for each continent and along with their countries. So that's it guys. For around 4 to 5 years of age, these are the activities. We do actually swap in some more activities according to the theme that you're studying and working upon, but in general this is it.